Fillet and Chamfer tool. S on the keyboard for a shortcut to sketch. Click a plane. Let's go for the front plane. Click N for normal 2. Click P to hide the planes. And then we're going to just go for a normal center rectangle. From the middle, click and drag out. Let's make it 100 by 100. We have a fully constrained sketch. Now up here we have got our sketch fillet and our sketch chamfer tool. So click on it, and then you need to basically select 2 lines that the fillet is going to run from. So let's go for this corner here to this corner here. Let's drag this, and we can make it say 50 if we so wanted to by double clicking on here, typing in 50, and we have our sketch chamfer. We could also do the same for, sketch fillet. We could do the same for a chamfer. Click on the chamfer tool, again between 2 lines. So let's go for this one, the opposite side. Click again, and you've got your chamfer there. We can drag our arrow, or we can type in our dimensions here, say 30, and we could do this at different dimensions, say 50, and then we've got our angled sketch chamfer. Click escape chamfer. You could then extrude that by clicking Shift E, and you can see that we have now got a shape with a fillet and a chamfer on.